One of the top leaders of the Congress party from Uttar Pradesh, Salman Khurshid, has written a book. But that has become a Congress versus BJP political slugfest. But why? He has at one part compared the Hindutva ideology to the terror groups like the ISIS and Boko Haram. He's also gone on to mention that under the current regime, the Hindu hardliners have got a boost. What exactly has Salman Khurshid said in this book, and why has that become such a controversy, specifically as the state of Uttar Pradesh braces for elections? Take a look at this story. Hindutva, same as jihadist ISIS and Boko Haram. Hinduism pushed aside by robust Hindutva. Bharatiya Janata Party's power at centre emboldens the right wing. Ayodhya is about one religion trumping another. These are explosive claims in a book by the Congress veteran Salman Khurshid. The book, Sunrise Over Ayodhya, has now sparked a fresh chapter of saffron slugfest. The provocative excerpts from Khurshid's book compared the Hindutva ideology to Islamist terror groups like the ISIS and the Boko Haram. Khurshid's book, also called The Construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya after the Supreme Court Ayodhya judgment, a victory for Hinduism over Islam, asserting that Hinduism has been pushed aside by robust Hindutva similar to jihadists like the ISIS and Boko Haram, also blaming the Bharatiya Janata Party rule for the rise of Hindutva. The Congress has backed Khurshid.
इस देश में हर एक को अपनी बात कहने का अधिकार है, मुझे नहीं है। अब मैंने एक किताब लिखी है, मैंने अपनी बात कह दी। अगर कोई समझता है कि इस बात की वो काट कर सकता है तो वो किताब लिख दे।
हिंदुत्व का हिंदू धर्म से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, सनातनी परंपराओं से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, और ये मूल सनातनी परंपराओं और विचारधाराओं के ठीक विपरीत है।
Everyone who was accused, something like 300 people who were accused, were acquitted. So like no one killed Jessica, nobody demolished the Babri Masjid.
The Bharatiya Janata Party hit back, calling it a Gandhi family-directed plot to defame Hindus and a bid to legitimize jihadi elements by comparing them with the Hindu faith.
You would not even have the courage to take action against the leaders who are hurting the sentiments of the Hindu community under the sinister design planned by the Gandhi Parivar.
उनके मन में इस प्रकार का जहर भरा हुआ है, इस प्रकार की बातें करते हैं, अपनी किताब में इस प्रकार का विष सामने लेकर आते हैं अपने जीवन के, राजनीतिक जीवन के अंतिम चरणों में। क्यों ये बेशरम कोशिश?
All such people who talk of divisive politics learn to conduct their businesses right and believe in oneness of this nation.
Khurshid now faces a police complaint in Delhi for insulting Hindus and fomenting the communal ill will.
Salman Khurshid's latest book, Sunrise Over Ayodhya, has stirred up a honestness. In book's chapter Saffron Sky, Khurshid has compared Hindutva with ISI and Boko Haram. Though Khurshid has given a clarification saying he's talking about Hindutva and not Hinduism, but BJP has hit back at the Congress party, setting the stage for another massive showdown ahead of the assembly polls between the two national parties. With journalist Abhishek, this is Supriya Bhardwaj for India Today in Delhi.